FIFA World Cup 2026, Argentina official final squad with their legion. Emiliano Martinez, Catholic. Gianluigi Rulli, Catholic. Juan Musso, Christian. Facundo Medina, Jewish. Nicolas Tagliafico, Christian. Gonzalo Montiel, Christian. Lisandro Martinez, Catholic. Christian Romero, Christian. Nicolas Otamendi, Catholic. Leonardo Balerdi, Christian. Nahuel Molina, Christian. Giovanni Lo Celso, Christian. Valentin Barco, Christian. Enzo Fernandez, Catholic. Rodrigo de Paul, Christian. Ezequiel Palacios, Catholic. Alexis McAllister, Christian. Leandro Paredes, Christian. Lionel Messi, Christian. Nico Gonzalez, Jewish. Julian Alvarez, Christian. Lautaro Martinez, Christian. Thiago Almada, Christian. Jose Manuel Lopez, Christian.